Hello mga tagay, nandito naman si Inday Tagay, yung babaeng wala nang tagay, bagong gising. Pula yung mata, naka-drugs lang. Char. So ngayon mga tagay, meron tayong balo. Aw, in English. Meron tayong flying fish mga tagay. Aray ko. Bagong gising. Just wake up.
Nandun sa loob. Nandun sa loob ang balo. Pakita mo doon sa kanina. Express ko na yan. Pakita mo doon ang balo. Nandun sa loob na.
Sa loob na. Very fast. Ayun no. Tagay. Kuha na ito flying fish. In Tagalog, balo.
Isa lang katagay, mahal.
150 per kilo.
Oh, 75 na itong balo. Itong ulo ng balo. Ito lang.
Flying fish.
Balo yan. Isa lang binili ko kaya hindi man namin maubos.
Then he's chopping the then ang pangalan niya uulan siya. He's chopping a lamas. Ano, tomato, Bombay in Tagalog, in English,
Lagyan na natin ng daon ng sili yung katagay. Maganda yung kung maraming kamatis. May sound.
Okay. More
May sounds may ginapyan mo pa rin. Wala na, napatay na.
disclaimer.
Lagyan natin ng luya katagay.
Ano pang luya sa English? My mind is not working yet. I just woke up. Ginger with tomato and sibuyas. Bala ka mo dara. Google it if you want to. I try to speak English. Just Google. I don't know what is sibuyas because I am low but my mind is 50%. Onion. Oh, look. My mind works only 5%. Onion, because we're going to cook the flying fish in the soup with with soup, and that's my favorite one because right now we're going to have a mukbangan, so we're just going to wait because I cannot wait. Char. We're going to wait because I cannot wait. So let's watch. Let's wait for the how it will be cooked later on. Actually, you know how to cut it off. Just that's it. The onion, um, tomato, and ginger. That's it. So, pansit na naman. We're going to wait